Yo, what is up, everybody? We got our Dandan deck in today, or maybe a Goblin Commander deck. We will just have to see. And one of them is definitely a Dandan deck, and the other one is also a Dandan deck. Beautiful. One of them is for later, and one of them is for now. Very fancy little wax paper. And hopefully we can just pull it right out. Oh, pink, very shiny. It is like a paper, but it's like a treated kind of paper box. Probably just gonna still go ahead and throw it in an actual deck box, but this one is very cute. And okay, some weird little spacers in here. And then there we go. Our beautiful Dandan. And we get, oh, I did not expect these to be foiled. That's crazy. A couple different spin down counters here. And that way you can both play. And then they do have like the 45, or that goes up to 40 on the back there. But yeah, so you and your homie can both have a little fish. And they give us this little fold out thing here, just telling you a little bit about the deck and how to play the format. Some nice little art there on the back. And we get to open these up like a pack of smokes. Okay. So, were you all able to get your hands on a Dandan deck? Are you still looking to get a Dandan deck? Did you even give a shit about the Dandan deck? Let me know in the comments, everybody. But these are very, very nice art cards. Love to see it. The quality on all of these is very nice. No weird issues or anything yet. Some nice art here. Memory Lapse, the Forgetful Fish card itself. Tons of printings if I decide I hate Dandan. Some amazing full art lands with some really cool treatment on there. And then these lands do like make a scene if you put them all out. I guess I'll set them down here for now. There's this last one there, but yeah, it makes a nice little panorama. And we get the rest of the deck here. Some nice Halimar Depths, Haunted Fengraf, Lonely Sandbar, Remote Isle, some Surgical Bays, some Temples, and then two nice little Vision Charm foils there at the end. But yeah, super excited to sleeve this up and play. Got a little boulder and even got some of these little misty rainforest dragon shields to sleeve up. But yeah, thanks for sticking around till the end. Hope you'll have a great day.